Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your in-depth love read. Let's see how you're feeling, Leo, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection. And these are, of course, general collective readings, Leo, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. All right, Leo, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Leo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Leo newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person. And in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, your mutual energies, action cards, etc. If this is your reading, Leo, you'll know which side you're on, right? This is for me, person A, and this is for me, person B. Bottom of my deck, I have an Ace of Cups. What is this? Is somebody fallen in love? Or is this self-love? I don't know. Okay, Leo, from what I'm feeling, from one person's side, I think they've gotten out of feeling in the lack or waiting around or feeling left out in the cold. This is an active choice, active decision that's being made by one person who seems to be angry with the other person. And the other one, well, they're realizing that somebody's turned their back on them, but they do want to return, it seems, go backwards, because now they're not confused anymore. They've chosen the cup. There's no other options they want. The one cup they want is, I think, person A. So there is a bit of disparity in both your feelings. So let's see. I'm going to start, Leo, with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest, okay? So Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Leo and their person. One more. Leo and their person. Okay, got two more. All right. I'm going to take a couple more from here, Leo. Different deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Leo and their person. Oops. Okay. They came together, fell out, face up, so I'm not going to put them back. All right, Leo, let's start your reading. The first one here says, giving up and leaving just seems so much easier than to just deal with any more pain. I think this is person A who's saying, hey, I was left behind or not taken care of, I felt the lack of love maybe, so I'm making a choice to walk away. Giving up and leaving just seems so much easier. Second card says, I have a hard time focusing on you when I'm trying to build an empire. Maybe the other person had other things to do. They were too busy. They didn't give attention when they should have. This lifetime didn't work out. Hopefully I can do better next lifetime. I don't think I can handle this anymore. Manifesting myself so I can be good enough to win you back. I think this was the title of the last reading also, maybe last or last to last, where I said somebody wants to win you back. Just know that I'm sorry. I tried to walk away from you, but something keeps pulling me back to you. Well, you got a lot of cards. I have anger issues I'm working on. I know that I'm marriage material, and I know that deep down you know that too. So I think this is again person A saying, like, you disrespected me, you made me feel like an option. You and I both know what kind of a person I am. I had put you on a pedestal and made myself small. All right, Leo, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. Of course, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo. Blessing. Blessings of abundance. I love this card. Okay, so yes, the one who got left behind, I think this is for them. Or maybe Leo, I don't know which side you're on. This could be for you because I did ask for a blessing for you. So, materially, money wise, in every aspect of your life, you're going to have a lot of abundance. Okay, so don't worry about that. What's happening in your love life, I still have to check. Okay, so I'm going to start with the energies of person A, Leo. Let's see what's happening here, then we'll move to the other side, okay? So, Five of Pentacles, Spirit. Why is person A feeling that way? The Queen of Cups wanted to show up in reverse. Now the Four of Wands. Okay, so person A feels, well, I'm getting out of this feeling that I'm not respected, I'm not given commitment, this is not going to go anywhere. What's the point of sticking around? I'd rather just release this person who I think is toxic now for me, or the toxicity of this connection, and move on. This is an active choice, I'm telling you, that person A is making for their own life, maybe their own life experiences, and they've kind of judged person B to say, well, there's no point sitting around, waiting around for somebody who's never going to do the right thing. Lovers, what's the Lovers card, Spirit? Why are they feeling this way? What's this choice that they've made? What's this choice that they want to make? Person A says, I would rather be happy by myself. I have all my ducks in a row. I have my 9 cups filled. This is almost like the 9 of Pentacles person, right? Single, doing very well on their own, and feeling that, I really want another go around with the person B, because they never invested anything. They didn't put in any effort, they didn't put in any investment, nothing grew here, but I'm making a choice to be happy by myself. Like I immediately suspected the Ace of Cups to be more of a self-love kind of a card today. Okay, so what happened, person A, in the recent past that you made such a decision? 10 of Wands in reverse. Well, person A says, I was carrying the entire load of this connection, and while being in a sort of a connection, I was still always alone. I was always in hermit mode. I was alone, wondering whether they're going to come back, whether it's going to be something, and finally I made a choice to drop it. Why? Because the person A feels that there was no clarity given in this connection. Ace of Swords in reverse. Ace of Swords in reverse. Yes, I think there was communication between the two of you. There was communication. There was a lot of communication between the two of you. One person was the Empress here. Okay, I think person A was the Empress, who is very loving, very kind, very trusting, and they may have communicated with a King of Cups in reverse, somebody who emotionally manipulated them. Maybe things came out that they were also in third parties, maybe. So even though I think this king did take action in the past, maybe communication wise, some lies got caught about them not being exclusive, or they having another partner or something like that. So how do you feel about the connection now, person A? Person A says, I just told you, I'm not sitting around, in sadness and regret and sorrow, looking at the past and feeling miserable and bad. I've already gotten out of that. In fact, I'm still a little upset and angry with them. Okay? So, 5 of Cups in reverse. 5 of Cups in reverse. Yes, some secrets came out. Something came out in the open, and person A made a conscious decision. I'm not going to suffer. I'm not going to wait around. I'm not going to regret or have sadness or waste any more time. So whatever came out, of course, this is a general reading. All of you will have a different story, but something got revealed to person A where they were forced to make, a conscious, practical decision for their own life. Queen of Wands in reverse. Why do you feel that way? Queen of Wands says, I'm very upset with them because they were very controlling, Omkara Tarot. This is the Emperor in reverse, right? I was the Empress in the upright. They turned out to be the Emperor in reverse. Very controlling, always wanting to have the last word, playing mind games with me, trying to keep me stuck. and there's stagnancy here now. So what action person A will take, I'll open it later. Leo, let's go on to the other side and see how person B is doing. Person B, you have the Three of Wands in reverse. Why is that? What's the Three of Wands in reverse? Yes, they are now, I think, they're realizing why person A is no longer stuck on them, why person A has released themselves, or why the rose-colored glasses are off from person A's side. They're recognizing why person A has turned their back on them. They're realizing that, well, I didn't do the right thing. I gave them no justice. This was not a balanced, good, equal give and take kind of a connection. So now, person B, Seven of Cups in reverse. Seven of Cups in reverse. Okay, so now person B, I think, has made their choice. They know the cup they want, but they are also now not knowing how to make it work once again, because they just keep going back and forth in their mind as to my person seems to have already dumped me, already dropped me. Now, maybe they're just waiting around, waiting to see if maybe in time things will change, or maybe planning, then maybe there's distance between the two of you, I don't know. But person B is recognizing, they are recognizing why they've been dropped. Okay, and they could be going back and forth in their mind as to how now to revive this connection. What happened in the recent past, person B? What happened in the recent past that you feel that person A is no longer interested? Page of Swords in reverse. Somebody behaved very immaturely. Yeah, they behaved very immaturely. Maybe they delayed bringing, harmony and balance into this connection. They could have been busy doing other things. They were probably stuck somewhere else. And they did realize that they never came up with a love offer, first of all. And when they did realize that, hey, I've done something wrong, or, this beautiful partnership, soulmate connection, there's some bad memories now that have been created. I think person B was too embarrassed and too ashamed, maybe, of even coming forward with an apology. Okay, so what else, person B? What happened in the recent past? Yeah, they were behaving like a little bit of a trickster. They, I think, tried to behave like a little bit of a trickster, maybe give a little bit of, attention and then withdraw, or just behave in a trickster sort of energy. What else can I say? Magician in reverse is somebody, who's thinks they're very, very smart, over cocky, and now they're ashamed of their bad behavior. Now things have already got disrupted. So tell me now, person B, how do you see this connection? Person B is very disappointed. They're very, very disappointed. They also want to come out of this place where they are feeling sad and guilty and remorse, and they are recognizing that things have totally gone the wrong direction in this connection. I think this person was trying to escape commitment. They saw person A as their wish come true, and they felt, if I start something with person A, then I may have to commit for the long haul, or I may have to give more time or energy. I think person B could have kind of escaped commitment. Why did you do that, person B? Can I know, please? Why did all this happen? They didn't have the strength, they didn't have the courage. Maybe they were going through some ending in their own life, and they didn't want to move forward once again. Maybe they had suffered with somebody else in the past. This is the Queen of Swords in reverse. They just come out of a connection with a partner who was always suspicious of them or angry with them. They didn't want to have a broken heart, and they could have just kind of snuck away, not realizing that person A was not that kind of a person. But I think by the time they are realizing or will realize, person A is given up. Okay, so what actions will you guys take? Let's see. I'm going to take a separate deck for this one, Leo. And of course, this is my time to ask you to click that like button. It helps the videos to circulate and also makes me very, very happy. Thank you. And newbies, when you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that YouTube can then notify you when new videos are released. So, person A, what action from your end? Magician in reverse. I just finished explaining this card to you, right? Magician upright is like, okay, they play games, they'll create illusions, or sometimes a great manifester. They have all the tools in, on their table or in their hands to create any kind of thing that they want. But when the magician is in reverse, they're using their powers in the wrong way. At least that's how person A is saying person B, and person B also acknowledged it because they had the same card here as well, magician in reverse, which they're feeling very embarrassed and guilty about why they behaved like that. So person A, why is the magician in reverse as your action card? Okay, that was really strong. Okay, all right. Let me take one more. One more. They're showing up exactly how person B sees them. Person A says, yes, I am the Queen of Wands. I'm the one, I told you earlier, I'm very upset and angry with them, right? I am the Queen of Wands. I am shutting down this chapter now with the person who plays games, is tricking me. I'm feeling on the top of the world. I'm bringing back balance and justice back into my own life. This connection was not balanced at all. I have a feeling person A is the one who's now going into self-love mode. Let's see person B. Person B, what's the action from your end? Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that an action? Why is that an action? Person B, Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Person B is now very burdened. My God, 10 of Wands, 7 of Cups. They don't know what to do. They feel all those 10 wands that they gave their partner to carry, now all that burden is on them because they don't, because of their lying, cheating behavior. Now they don't know how to get a fresh new beginning. Now they're recognizing person A to be the perfect spouse for them, perfect person, the person they should have committed to, right? So this person B is, I think, very emotionally overwhelmed at the moment, feeling a lot of burden. Look at the amount of baggage here. Very confused as to how do I now even start? How do I even offer? So they are not seeing the light at the moment as to what they can do to rectify this connection. So why was the Ace of Cups our overall energy, Spirit? What's this Ace of Cups? I think this is person A. I think this is person A who's making this active choice. Again, the same card is here. They're making a choice. They've decided to be very discerning with the choice of their love life, I guess. A lot of people could be giving them attention, but person A is saying, no. Yes, I do, first of all, I do deserve an apology from person B. And secondly, I am going to take my time because I'm in the place where I can choose. But I'm not going to just choose anyone because I have a lot of options at the moment. And let me take one more. What else do you want to say? Ace of Cups. What's this Ace of Cups for you? Yes, person is. So I think maybe both of you are in hermit mode right now. Not actively pursuing love, but thinking about it, trying to make the right, wise decisions. At least person A is not giving in to just anyone at the moment. I think this person is totally into self-love. And where person B is concerned, I think they have realized that out of all these cups, there's only one cup worth pursuing, but they know they need to come forward with an apology. And that's about it. So I think person B is kind of losing hope, where person A, they're making very good, wise decisions for their life and attracting a lot of abundance and blessings into their own life. So that's all I have for you, Leo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.